I want to say thank you guys, that I appreciate you guys, and you make my circle complete. Oh, now I'm dizzy. Thank you. Hi guys, did you know? Okay, so this video is going to be about did you know? And guys, did you know how I am so grateful from the bottom of my heart that you guys come here every week and you follow my videos, you look at my videos. I am so grateful for all of you guys. I am grateful for YouTube creators. You guys come here and you watch my videos and you give me support. I am so grateful from the bottom of my heart. I just cannot even explain how I feel. You guys coming each week watching my videos. I like doing the videos because it gives me a chance to, be creative and, do these little skits and stuff that I do. And I really like doing these videos. So I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart that you come back every week and watch my videos and give me thumbs up. I know there's a lot of people out there watching my videos, and then I know a lot of people that friends and stuff watching my videos, and you give me a thumbs up and stuff, and I appreciate that you guys are doing that. But also, I have a lot of people that follow my channel telling me that they don't know how to leave comments. So yeah, there are some people out there that don't know how to leave comments, and it's okay. It's okay. We all have to learn, right? We all have to learn. So I just want to do a little demonstration right here on my tablet on how to leave comments down below, because I like reading the comments, and you guys leave such nice comments, and I read every last one of them, and I also comment too. I comment back on you guys. So let's go to my channel. So here's my channel here, and whatever video you may come upon, and this one right here is going to be like this is my introduction video here. So I don't know if you guys have seen this video, but you should go back and look at it, because it's also telling you too what my channel is about. So if you want to leave a comment on this, guys, if you don't know, and it's okay if you don't know, I just want to let you know if how to do it if you want to leave a comment. So you just hit there and just say whatever you want to say. Here I'm going to say looking good. Looking good. So you see that little arrow? You see that little arrow right there? You just press that arrow and then it'll go up into the comments. So that's how you leave a comments for the ones that don't know. And like I say, if you have not seen this video, my introduction video to my YouTube channel is there. So I just appreciate you guys. You guys make my day. And I put up a video every Monday, and you guys be commenting and coming back watching my videos every week, and I definitely appreciate that, guys. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I thank you so much, and I hope you continue to come back and watch my videos, because I got a lot of good things coming up, different things that you should know, things that you probably already know what you should know, but I just really love doing these videos. And so with that said, in my next video, I'm going to also talk to you about measurement equivalencies that you probably did not know. Okay, so coming right up, I'm going to show you that. Do not go. Peace. Okay, guys, like I told you, I'm going to be doing some more things for you. And again, did you know this is the second part of this video, and this cooking with measurements equivalency, like if you probably not have one utensil and you may wonder, okay, how much it is to make certain thing like a cup or something. So I'm here to show you, and I like to do things and try it out myself, because I know everybody can look on search and on Google and find it out, but I like to go ahead and try to do it myself. So I want to do it with you, show you, and do a little bit of experiment. I never did this before, but I was kind of like, okay, well, this should be interesting, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. So the first one, we got 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons. So you have 1 tablespoon, teaspoon equal 3 teaspoons. So you want to get it like kind of level. And see, let's see how this is. See if it really works. So we got 1, and then we got 2, and then 3. And there you go. So 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons. So there you go. So if you haven't looked on the website and you're like, okay, I wanted this really right, you got it from me. It's true. So the next one we have, and I'm not going to go and do all of them because the video will be actually way too long, and I don't want that. So the next one we have is 1/16 cup equal 1 tablespoon. Then we have 1/8 cup equals 2 tablespoons. And 1/6 cup equal 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons. And 1/4 cup equals 4 tablespoons. So I happen to have a 1/4 cup here. So 1/4 cup equal 4 tablespoons. Let's see if this is really true. So here we go. Make sure you level it off, because I think if you don't level it off, it'll be way too much. It'll be 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Level it off. Okay. And there you go. That's 4, right? There you go. That is true. So 1/4 cup is 4 tablespoons. So if you don't have a 4th cup at home, use 4 tablespoons. And there you go. So I was just really like surprised at some of this stuff. I'm like, really? Is this really true? And so we have 1/3 cup equals 5 tablespoons. I don't have a 1/3 cup. Nope, that's just a 1/2 cup. But anyway, 1/3 cup equals 5 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon. So a tablespoon, then plus 1 tablespoon. Actually 5 tablespoons. So you have 3/8 cups equals 6 tablespoons. Don't have a 3/8 cup. So a 1/2 cup equals 8 tablespoons. So a 1/2 cup equals 8 tablespoons. So I'm going to see if I can do a 1/2 cup here. Find it over here. Okay, I don't have one. So a 1/2 cup. Where's my 1/2 cup? It's right there. If you can see it. So I'm going to go ahead and put 8 tablespoons in there and see, is that really true? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8. So let's see if that's a 1/2 cup. So there you go. It's probably like right under the half. Maybe some of my measurements probably was less than it should have been. So yeah, pretty much true. So a 1/2 cup equals 8 tablespoons, guys. So there you go. And like I said, I always look up stuff on the internet. But I'm like, you know what? I want to just try this and see if this is really true. If it's really right, correct. So let's move on. 2/3 cups equals 10 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons. And then you have 3/4 cups. I don't have a 3/4 cup. Let's see. Okay. There it is right there, 3/4 cup. So 3/4 cups equal 12 tablespoons. I don't even know if I have enough sugar. By the way, this is sugar. Let's see if I can put 12 tablespoons in 3/4 cup. Let's see if this is true and accurate and correct. So 1, I need 12. 2, 3, 4, 5. I may need some assistance to get some more sugar. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3/4 cups. So it's a little bit above that half. So it said 3/4 cups. Again, maybe I put way less when I was doing the measurements in the cups. Maybe I put a little bit less. But there it is right there. It's like it's pretty much on the half. So that's what it says. 3/4 cups equals 12 tablespoons. So you got it right there. Maybe use just probably a lot more on your spoon. Maybe like that. I kept leveling it out like this here. And I always thought, you know, when you do measure, you want to measure out. You don't want it like that. You have way too much, I think. So, all right. So 1 cup equals to 48 teaspoons. And I'm not going to do 48 teaspoons for this cup. But here's a cup, 48 teaspoons. Like I said, maybe you want to get it like this here. Like that. And do 48 equals a cup. 1 cup equals 16 tablespoons. Then you have 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup. 8 fluid ounces equal 1 cup. And then 1 pint equals 2 cups. So if you have 1 pint and you don't have enough to measure, so you're going to do the 2 cups equals a pint. Then 1 quart equals 2 pints. All right. So if you want to get a quart, you just add 2 pints, make a quart. So 4 cups equals 1 quart. 4 cups equals 1 quart. All right, 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. It's kind of like a tongue-tied or twisted. quarts. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Then you have 16 ounces equals 1 pound. So if you want 16 ounces, just have 1 pound. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Then 1 milliliter, another tongue-tied twister, 1 milliliter equals to 1, what did that say? 1 cubic centimeter. So 1 milliliter equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Okay, guys? So 1 inch, that's 1 inch. Yeah, 1 inch equal 2.54 centimeters. 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeters. Let me just put my specs on just to make sure I'm telling you the correct thing. I don't want to tell you wrong. Then you guys look it up online and say, oh, she said this or she said that. So no. So 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. So there you go. You got it. Okay. So anyway, guys, I hope you got something valuable out of this video. I appreciate you guys coming and watching my video every week. So yeah, you know, try some of this stuff. Like I said, I always want, so yeah, you always want to you know, have some other idea. Like when you're cooking, don't be like me when you're cooking all of a sudden, oh my god, I don't have this measuring cup, I don't have that, I don't have this and that. So now you have tablespoons that you can measure the equivalency to. So yeah, so anyway, again, I appreciate you guys coming back, and from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate all my followers out there, and thank you for being a part of my YouTube family. I appreciate that. So with that said, I hope you guys have a blessed week. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that button and subscribe. And guess what? I'll see you next week, same time, right here. Okay, peace out. Peace.